Hello, everybody. Welcome to Elite Weather. My name is Mr. G, your meteorologist. And while it is Sunday afternoon and going into the evening hours, so your weekend is almost over. So, welcome to this weather forecast. We're going to be taking a look at the weather that we're going to be expecting across the country as we move through this upcoming work week. So, let's jump into it right now. And this is the pattern that we're going to be seeing this week. It's going to be very wet down across the Gulf Coast and parts of most of the state of Texas and into the desert Southwest as well. So parts of Arizona, New Mexico, we're going to be seeing a very wet week as we're going to be seeing something that looks a lot like the summer monsoon across the Southwest. So we're going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorms. Very warm weather will take place across the Pacific Northwest and the Northern Rockies. So we're going to be seeing very warm weather in the Northwest. And here across the Northeast, going to be a little bit on the chilly side. Not really cold, but a bit cool. So we're going to be seeing those temperatures in the 60s and lower 70s there across the Northeast. And we're going to be seeing relatively dry weather as well across the northeastern sections of the United States. And as we take a look at that wet weather we're going to be seeing down across the south and in the southwest, we're going to be looking at those thunderstorms. There's going to be so much rainfall that we're going to have a pretty significant flash flood risk, as well as afternoon heat will be suppressed because of cloud cover and heavy rain. And we're going to see an increase in the humidity across the southwest as well, as we're going to be dealing with a lot of that wet weather as we have a cutoff low here over Baja California, and that is going to be pumping in a lot of moisture off of the Gulf of Mexico and down from the Pacific as well. So we're going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorms across Texas and the Southwest. And here we are as we take a look as we get through the remainder of today on your Sunday. We're going to be seeing that area of low pressure coming into Texas, and we're going to be seeing that excessive rainfall where we're going to have major flooding potential, as well as a rapid rises in streams and rivers. So we're going to be seeing those creeks kind of overflow and those washes down across southwestern Texas. And we're going to have some travel delays as well as beneficial drought relief down across the state of Texas as well. And as we take a look at your upcoming week, so through Friday through Sunday of this upcoming week, so we're going to be seeing a lot of rain continue across the state of Texas as we have a very wet week in store across the Alamo State, where we're going to be seeing the potential for at least 20 inches of rain down here near San Antonio and over to Del Rio, where as much as 20 inches of rain can fall this week. And we're going to be seeing the potential for some severe thunderstorms as well. But we're going to be seeing the heavy rainfall. So here is our rainfall impacts through next Sunday. That's not today. This is a week from today. This is the rainfall impacts we're going to be seeing across the state of Texas, where we have a major flooding potential, as well as those streams and creeks and riverbeds starting to wash to overflow, and we're going to be seeing roads get washouts as well, and lots of road closures down across the state of Texas as we go through the week and into next Sunday, as we're going to be seeing a very wet week across the state of Texas. And we're going to be dealing with some severe thunderstorms into the upcoming week. So we're going to be seeing those storms on Saturday and into next Sunday as well. So we're going to be dealing with hail, a few isolated tornadoes, damaging wind gusts in excess of 65 miles an hour here across the upper Midwest. So if you're in Illinois, Iowa, and parts of Nebraska as well, we're going to be seeing those severe thunderstorms into the upcoming weekend. So this is going to be a look at our whole week as a whole, and we're going to be seeing those severe thunderstorms Sunday and into Sunday evening of the upcoming work week. We're going to be dealing with those showers and thunderstorms from Evansville, Indiana, all the way across to St. Louis, Missouri. We're going to be seeing the potential there for some severe thunderstorms with heavy downpours, large hail, and damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Fortunately, we're not going to have much of a tornado threat with that activity, so that is a bit of good news there, but we will see a lot of wet weather this week, so we're going to be seeing heavy rainfall into the southeast as we head into the upcoming Wednesday. And about 10 o'clock p.m. through Wednesday, we're going to be seeing heavy rainfall down across the southeastern U.S. So parts of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and North Florida, we're going to be seeing that rainfall across the southeast. And we're going to be dealing with much of the South is going to be dealing with some rain this week, as we have a lot of rainfall from Texas all the way into the southeast, where we're going to be seeing at least a good half-inch of rain for most folks, but some areas could pick up 1 to 2 inches, and we could see as much as 2 to 3 inches into parts of Florida as well, as we're going to be dealing with that heavy rainfall down along the Gulf Coast this week. So here's the culprits for that stormy weather we're going to be seeing. We got a few areas of low pressure across the one area of low pressure across the upper Midwest and northern Canadian border. One here across the Central Plains, and we have another secondary area of low pressure across the southeast. And that's going to be pumping up a lot of moisture, so we're going to be dealing with heavy rain across the southeast, severe weather here across the Central Plains and across the upper Midwest. We're going to be dealing with that severe weather as we head into this upcoming Thursday. Same thing for your Friday, that severe weather here across the Great Lakes and the Central and Southern Plains, and heavy rain down across the southeast, as we have those 3 areas of low pressure. Now, these are relatively weak areas of low pressure, nothing particularly strong, but they will be strong enough to spark some severe weather through the Midwest and heavy rain across the southeast and the Gulf Coast. Now we're going to have that warm weather across the Pacific Northwest continuing into Monday and Tuesday, where we're going to be seeing a lot of areas in the upper 80s to lower 90s across the Pacific Northwest for Monday, and again as we go through the middle to the end of next week. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to be seeing those temperatures start off on the warm side, but kind of back off a little bit as we head toward the end of the week. For most areas, we're going to see those temperatures drop a couple of few degrees across the Pacific Northwest. So a very warm week in store across the Northwest and the West Coast, as we have a large area of high pressure in place, and that is going to be keeping that heat pumped across the Pacific Northwest. My name is Mr. G with another repetitive forecast as we head into the middle part of the month of May, where we're seeing much of the same across the country, with the exception of the warmth across the Pacific Northwest. But we're seeing our usual severe weather across the Midwest and heavy rain down across the southeast and along the Gulf Coast. My name is Mr. G. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys all tomorrow in the next video. Bye-bye.